Welcome to Lakshmi Academy, and today's software testing interview question is: what are the types of testing specifically important for web application testing? So it's asking the different types of testing specifically important for web application, and they can also ask question like what are the types of testing you will consider when doing web application testing. So I will go over both the questions. Um, the different types of testing you will consider is functionality testing, usability testing, interface testing, compatibility testing, and coming back to our original question, specifically for web application you will do performance testing, and under performance testing load testing and stress testing are important, and for certain situations you will also do soak testing and spike testing. Security testing is also important. When you're answering your interview question and when you mention any vocabulary related to software testing, you should be in a position to answer if any questions are asked about it. Like if you are asked what is compatibility testing, you should be in a position to answer compatibility testing related to web application will be browser compatibility testing, testing with different browsers, and so on. So I request you to go over the video tutorials I have done for each types of testing, which goes into details. So coming back to our question, load testing and stress testing are important, security testing are important. So you may be asked question like why load testing and stress testing is important. Web applications are open to the world with potentially multiple users accessing applications simultaneously at various times. So load testing and stress testing are important. So when there is a web application, multiple users will log in at the same time at any given point. So you should know how much system can handle, how many users system can handle. So load testing and stress testing are important. Web applications are also vulnerable to all forms of attacks, so security testing is very important because there are already programs written by people which creates multiple users and they log in into your system at the same time, and just their goal is to clog your system, to create problems, and by the time you try to identify the problem and find a solution, they are simultaneously creating the users. So security testing is very important. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and please subscribe Lakshmi Academy on YouTube for more videos.